I need some rouge. Replace this door handle. I already put it in. Get this door handle. You have to remove that screw right there on the door. There you go. So, and this door handle will pull up. It goes like that, slide it, and then down. But on this vehicle, you have to remove the panel, the window regulator, just to get there. You need 10 millimeters. Move these wires. I mean, that's the one that lock and unlock the door. And that's the cable right here that you have to disconnect from the old one and put a new one right there. Just make sure to put some, because this is coming longer, put some tie rod over here, you know, because you don't want the window, when you put the window down, will roll it down and break it, you know, cut the cable. And it's an easy fix, okay? But that's what you have to go through. You know, you have to remove the window too. You know, you have to let the window roll down. And you will till this part, and you can see those screws right there. One, two. All right, good luck with your project.